Okay, so I'm going to try to make this a real fast video, little tidbit if you will, using Dandelion Pesto that we made earlier to make a pizza. And again, I've got a pizza crust here that I've prepped. I've made it. You'll see it below the recipe. And then I pre-cooked it so that it's nice and crispy, hopefully. And I pre-cooked it for about 10 minutes at 425 Fahrenheit. So what we want to do is we want to take our pesto. We got plenty of it, and we're just going to smear this about. Some down here. Plenty of dandelions. This is the whole thing. You know, you're just going to have plenty of resources because people hate that weed. But in these times of austerity, I'm pretty sure people are going to find out real quick that they need to love and eat their weeds. That's just what it is nowadays, unfortunately. So, a little bit here, a little bit here. Put this down thick as our base. So instead of tomato sauce, which is how you would normally make a pizza, we're putting down our pesto. And that could be your garlic pesto, your garlic mustard pesto rather, your dandelion pesto, your basil pesto, whatever pesto, or a mixture of any of those, because a lot of times they blend pretty well. So I'm just going to smear that on there. That pesto here, like that. Okay. So right there. So this quick and dirty. And again, if you want the pizza crust, I'm going to put the recipe and the recipe link below. Okay. Like so. So I'm going to put this one back in the oven at 425 Fahrenheit for about, I don't know, we'll see. I reckon about 20 minutes. I think 20 minutes should be good. The chicken is already cooked. If it was raw chicken, it'd probably be a different thing. I do not suggest that, but always pre-cook your chicken or your meat. So we're going to put it on for 15 minutes and see how it goes. Alright, here we go. We have our dandelion pesto pizza here. We're using dandelion pesto instead of tomato-based sauce. We topped it with cooked chicken and tomatoes, onions, mozzarella, and some Parmesan cheese to finish it off. So again, for this pizza crust, it's actually a really good pizza crust. I'm going to post that below. And this is what you can do with the stuff that you can just dig out of your yard. And I'm going to quote Runyon because it's very true. Look down, eat up, because you're walking on your food.